In this video, we will be doing some more practices to strengthen our whole arms, starting from the tip of your fingers, wrists, elbows and the shoulder joints. Make sure you do these practices in a single movement by easily moving from one practice to another. Avoid dropping the hands as far as possible until you complete the whole set of exercises. Sit comfortably on a chair. Extend your hands in front. Remember to keep the elbows straight. Begin the practices by opening the fingers wide and while inhaling, close the fingers to form a loose fist. Exhale and stretch open the fingers and inhale and form a fist. Continue for 5 times. Next, keep a loose fist and move the wrists up and down. Inhale while you bring the wrists down and exhale when you bring it up. Continue for 5 times and synchronize the breathing with every movement. Inhale down, exhale up. In the third practice, move your wrists outwards while inhaling and inwards while exhaling. Keep the fingers closed in a loose fist. Be aware of the breathing and repeat these movements 5 times. Next, rotate the wrists clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. The next set of exercises begin by placing the tip of your fingers on the shoulder blades. Let your elbows face forward. With an inhalation, stretch your forearms to the front and open your fingers wide. And exhale and bring the fingers back on the shoulder blades. Repeat these movements 5 times. Always try to keep the upper arm stable and parallel to the floor. Now, move to the next practice by opening the arms to the side. As in earlier case, inhale while extending your arms and exhale while you bring your fingers back. After 5 times of repetition, stretch your arms above your head while inhaling and bring them down while exhaling. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat this 5 times. Now, relax for a second. Gently move to the front of the chair. Begin the next set of exercises by rotating the shoulders back, up and drop them to the front. Back, up, front. Back, up, front. Rotate from the root of the shoulder blades and not just the arms. After 5 times, move the shoulders in the reverse direction. Front, up, back. Feel the movement of the shoulder blades. Do these 2 movements 5 times in both directions. Now lift your shoulders up towards your ears while inhaling and bring them down gently while exhaling. Repeat these movements also 5 times while synchronizing with breathing. The last round, inhale, draw your shoulders up and stay there for a count of 5 and then slowly bring your shoulders down. The next set of exercises targets the muscles around the shoulder blades and also the rotator cuff muscles. Stretch your hands in front. Clasp the opposite elbows. Inhale deeply, and while exhaling, pull both hands to the right gently and try to straighten the left arm. Observe the gentle stretch in the left shoulder muscles. Inhale and bring the hands to the center. Exhale and pull the hands to the left, this time straightening the right arm. Avoid twisting the body to the right or the left, and always remember to look straight ahead. Repeat this 5 times in both directions. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, stretch to the side. Inhale, stretch to the opposite side. After 5 times, bring the hands to the center. Now inhale and lift your clasped arms above the head and gently stretch them behind your head as much as you can. Do not overstrain and pull back beyond your capacity. Exhale, gently bring the hands back to the center. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, relax. Inhale, stretch up as much as possible. Exhale and slowly relax. Repeat this 5 times by paying attention to the breathing. And relax by closing your eyes and holding the hands on the thigh muscles loosely placed. Though these exercises can be done while standing, I prefer doing this while sitting on a chair, as this video is intended for the older population and also for people who have less mobility. Such chair exercises help to develop the strength slowly in older generation and also to develop confidence gradually. We will be uploading more such chair exercises. Please like this video to support us. We request you to kindly subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get all notifications in future. Thanks for watching this video.